had this around for a while. I don't remember if I got it from Ipsy. I don't remember if I got it from Allure. I don't remember if I got it from a freaking Walmart box, but I have this $1 billion brows, 60 seconds to beautiful brows kit that is most definitely a sample size, because I looked up on their website with full sizes, and this ain't it, yo. But, it's in the color taupe. Apparently the full size is $24 for literally a thing of brow powder and a brush. So, I'm just fine with my little sample here. So, here's the brow powder, and here's my little sample brush. It has a little mini spoolie and a mini tapered, angled brush here. So, supposedly the claim is in 60 seconds you can have gorgeous, full, beautiful brows, which I am a hell of skeptical of as somebody who does not know how to do her fucking brows. So, clearly, taking these off so you can see my brows, the shape in and of itself, not terrible, but they're not very full towards the outer corners. So, I mean, anything to help that out would be great. This is not from overplucking, that is literally just how they naturally grow on me. Actually, they're a little thicker right now than they have been at certain other times in the past, so this ain't the worst it's ever been. So let's see what we can do here. I'll try not to go too stupidly heavy and end up looking bad or anything, but I'll use the spoolie end to blend it out as I get a little further into the process, but so far it's not terrible, actually. It's not even like a hard process like I was worried it might be. This actually is not that bad, like, truth be told. Because I know I've tried a couple of, like, brow pencils, and no matter how light-handed I try to be, it always ends up looking like a clown did my makeup. So that's why going into this I was like, oh, I'm so skeptical. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'll give it my best shot. That's not the worst, actually. I mean, I'm sure it's certainly not the best attempt in the world, but it's not bad. It's not like hella phony looking or anything, so that's really... Watch everyone who comes to me like, that's not how you use a spoolie. Well, I don't know how you do it, so I'm doing my best, guys. For somebody who doesn't know what the hell she's doing, I am doing my best here in trying to figure it out. And left versus right, it is an improvement, I think. Unless it looks a lot worse than I think it does. Let's try the other side now, see if it wasn't just beginner's luck. I'm trying to work around a fucking soda can. I'm like, let's move that, actually. Actually, let's move that further, because now I just creepily have the bubbles in my ear, and I'm like, no, that's actually, like, really distracting. Let's not do that. Okay. Of course, this side turns out better, but that's okay. I definitely like the look of this side better so far. Maybe I shouldn't have brushed out the other side, because I'm like, actually, I'm definitely preferring how this side looks immensely to that side, but I mean, it's not bad on either side, really. Like, maybe, I mean, I'll just for shits and giggles. Like, I don't know what that even accomplishes other than brushing the natural brows and, like, the correct directions and shit, but... Did it take 60 seconds? No, but I mean, it didn't take all day either, so it's not that bad. The main thing is, like, not forgetting I have it on and, like, not touching my brows. I'm trying to darken up a little bit on this side because it looks lighter. There's like a visible line. Damn it. Should have left well enough alone. I know. I went too far on that side. Damn it! But on the other hand, I mean, actually having visible brows for once is a weird-ass feeling. Because usually they're so, like, thin and tapered towards the ends to where it's like they kind of just disappear on me, and I'm like, I don't know how I feel about that, but it's kind of cool actually having something there that's visible. They definitely don't match, and it's the downside here, but... I mean, I'm sure there's a science to it, but that's, you know, not bad. I could live with it. I could definitely live with it, so let's see. But the glass is on. How's it looking? Is it gonna run into it, like... Does it look really distracting? It does not. Okay, kind of looks natural. Alright. Alright. I could hang with that. Given that we all know it takes me like months between when I actually review a thing and when it actually gets posted, I should just like film other stuff that is gonna go up today and see how long it takes anyone to like notice or comment about my fucking brows. That'd be great, right? But I think I like this product. Honestly, if I can get a grip on like how to use it properly, I might consider buying like a full size of this. Like I would actually consider that. I can't believe I'm saying that as somebody who always kind of just neglected and ignored the whole eyebrow thing. I'm like, you know, I could see myself buying this. Even for the steep price tag of $24, although that's for the kit. For just the brow powder, it's a little less. I mean, I could live with this brush, but maybe I should have the full-size brush. I don't know, but regardless, I think it's worth it. I think this is definitely worth checking out. So, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye-bye.